Manipur Press Club Imphal da Tang role of NEP-2020 and career opportunities ki Matangda PANGTHOKKADOURIBA workshop ka mari LEINANA workshop ASHIDAGI FANGGADABA KHUDONGCHABA SINGGI Matangda KHANGHANNABAGIDAMAK press meet ama PANGTHOKKHRE press meet aduda UTSM gi Chancellor Mabubul Hokna Fongdokkibada how to crack UPSC examination haina special session amaga loinana DM University da PANGTHOKKADABA workshop aduna lamdam asigi sel thumdi piba matik chadaba mahiroi singda kanaba piba ngamnaba pandam thamli University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM da karigumba tamningba tarabadi tanabiu mahiroi singi damakta angamba mating pangani loinana physically challenged oiba mahiroi singi higher education tamning Madusu Thong Launa Hang na Thamli Haiba Wafum Su Thamki.
We are here with a special reason to include the talents from Manipur, especially those who are meritorious, underprivileged, affected students. And one of the main reasons that this is a place where poor meritorious students can also fulfill their dream. Main parameters of our university is diversity and inclusivity. Diversity, I want to say that if you visit our university, you will find the students from all sections of the society, from all communities, from all religious sections of the society. And inclusivity means that you will find that somebody must be coming out from the building who cannot move properly physically, but we have given the options. Even in our employees, you will find the people who are physically challenged. If you have any kind of desire to go for higher education, and if your children are not unable to take admission somewhere, please you make a visit first.